Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we have for sale a Honda Super Cub 90. This one is fitted with a dual seat as well as electric start and kick start with the integrated front indicators. Condition of the bike is absolutely exceptional. Really low kilometers as well on her, as well as everything, hardly any rust and literally nothing to kind of point out damage wise or marks at all. Front tyre is perfect. In hindsight, I went out on the ride along video, which you'll see at the end of this condition video. First, which I should have done after in this kind of weather, have picked up a bit of dirt, but no real signs of any marks at all. You see up the front headlamp assembly area, just gorgeous, really good condition. Front forks then, same again, as well as the spokes and rim on the front tyre. Discs. Drum brakes, really good condition. Exhaust, excellent condition, as you can see, as well as the centre of the bike. Underneath the seat then is same again, no signs of rust at all. People will be afraid to show you these things on these C90s and C50s on the Irish bikes because they'll be rusted to pieces. Some very minor signs of a little bit of pitting at the top of the forks, but I mean, I'm being exceptionally fussy here. Exceptionally fussy. Rear of the bike now, 2002. Indicators all lovely, no cracks or anything like that. Chain guard is really good condition. Maybe a slight mark down here. Centre of the bike on the left hand side, really lovely. No rubbing on the engine even, which is a surprise. Very, very hard to find like this. Really, really lovely bike. Excellent condition. 10 out of 10 on her. Rare as well, 3-speed electric start. You'll see the bike starting and all that when I go for the ride along video, which you'll see about now.
Okay, we're now on to the Honda C90 that you just saw in the condition basis of the video, and now on to the actual ride along video. Whoa! She started the first time, well, just electric start, so a couple of things to note. You do have the beeping when here goes the bike. You do have the beeping when you have your indicators on, so left and right indicators work, horn works. She's a nice quick bugger as well, considering she's a 90. People don't realise you have to, if you want to get the most out of your 90, you have to rev the bloody nuts off her. So we'll get a top speed run when we come to the right hand turn at the end here. But I have been able to get 90 kilometers an hour, but this was in Mexico, not in Ireland, on this bike, just for the guard's sake out there. And also all speeds that I'm going to do today, the speedo is 20 kilometers an hour too fast, you know. Wink wink, nudge nudge. But anyway, yeah, we have a fuel gauge, the gears, gearing of where you should change gear, neutral light as well, which I'll show you now. Comes on. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that. Nice original mirrors. Kickstart down on the right hand side too. Rear brake on the right foot and the front brake on the right hand. The same as most 90s and 50s and all. Integrated front indicators, which is unusual to these square, or unique to these square headlamp ones like this with square indicators themselves. But yeah, I'll skip past the lights now for you and we'll get on to the straighter. Okay. Now onto the straight. We're doing a false 60, false 70, 75, 80 kilometers an hour, a false one now that. Not true to, Jesus, get on your own side of the road, missus. But yeah, she's quick, she's a nice one. She handles really well, tyres are obviously in good condition. It's a bit of a slippery day, and here we are getting some lean angle on her around the roundabout. But yeah, there's not much else to say about her. Really, really good bike. The dual seat helps quite a lot if you're a bigger person like me. In height, makes it a bit more comfortable to ride. You also have the back box rack on her, so you can put on a back box on the back for carrying capacity. So yeah, brilliant little bike. Electric start version, which is very rare. 3-speed, and she's in immaculate condition, absolutely immaculate. So mechanically she's mint, and aesthetically she's really, really good. Might be able to get a chance to show you her filtering capabilities actually here. I'm not sure though. Yep, we'll get through here. Just trying to turn left here, so just get up to the head of the queue and butt in before the straight on Retro Bikes Dublin here. Lovely. Okay, so let's get past the traffic lights again, no need to see them, boring. Okay, we're out of the lights now. Behind traffic again. It is getting up to rush hour home time on a Friday, 4 o'clock. So even around Dunleary we get it. And with the congestion in Dublin, and that's all the better reason why you should get a little 90 or something like that. You're able allowed in the bus lanes, fly past all the traffic. Don't worry about any of it. But yeah, this has been it. This is the 2002 blue electric start square headlamp Honda Super Cub 90 with a dual seat. The condition was at the start of the video, as well as this ride along at the end. So I hope it has been helpful to you guys. If you have liked the video, please do leave a like, and also comment down below on what you think of this bike. And finally, subscribe if you haven't already.